Ako na lang kakanta.
Connect mo siya kasi nagre-record ako. Ako hindi na ako mag-headset.
Hindi mo na yung mag-headset. Huwag na itong headset. Anong panaginip mo kanina?
Hello?
Anong panaginip mo kanina?
Blank.
Ha?
Blanco.
Blanco?
Deep sleep. Nananaginip ka lang naman pag may REM.
Panaginip ako kanina, dalawa. Tapos sabi ko, kwento ko sa'yo, nalimutan ko naman na. Pag time-lapse may pause-pause din yan.
Hindi siya time lapse. Wrong. Kaya narinig yung mga sinasabi mo, kaya ingat ka. Baka may machismis ka.
So ito na nga. Ang sabi kasi ni Diyos sa akin ng isang araw. Joke lang. Wala akong chismis. Uy, ang ganda ng clouds. Look at that. Over that building, oh. It's so giving.
So it's exactly 6:08 in the morning. We're here at Forest Park, St. Louis.
Missouri.
It's our day 2 tour. And as usual, we run.
Hindi pala kami dito, hindi kami dito dumaan.
Hindi talaga. Hindi siya pang event kasi maliit yung path.
But I ran my first half marathon here at St. Louis 2 years ago. Here at Forest Park. Pero hindi ito yung route.
Okay.
It's somewhere sa Money. The Money place there. Hindi nila, parang pride talaga nila yung arch. Kasi tignan mo iba nilang mga logo. Instead of doing N, nilalagay nila yung arch. So dapat yung McDonald's, gagawin nilang McDonald's. Wait, diba? Pansinin mo ako, Beb. Beb. Ano naman ang neighborhood dito?
Yeah, it's an old neighborhood. It starts
Rich.
from
I think Old Money Rich to mga.
17th century. So Missouri is part of the Louisiana Purchase.
Who's Louisiana?
Midwest. Binili siya from French.
Oh.
Binili siya kay Napoleon, Emperor Napoleon.
Grabe na si Napoleon, no?
Mm-hmm.
Parang ang sarap magpaanak sa mga kalahi. Joke lang po. Dapat tinailas mo na lang yan. Oh, happy birthday.
Wow. Proud na proud yung anak niya. Ay, yung dad niya.
Come on. Hindi ka ba proud? Hindi ka? Parang mga nakatira dito yung mga old rich na ba? No, what do you think?
I think so.
Caribbean house, oh.
So yung path na dinadaan natin is Forest Park segment sa Strava. Total of 9 kilometers. So isang buong loop siya ng park. So yung top 1 sa leaderboard is 27 minutes
And we're not trying to beat them.
in 9 kilometers. So mga elite na yung mga yan.
Yeah. It's kind of humid, no? But pag
Summer.
naging October na November, yun yung mga masarap takbo. And then December, pahinga ka na muna.
Yeah, off season. Mostly indoor exercise.
So if you could, wow!
I think that's the time I'll do membership with Planet Fitness.
Start ka?
Pag off season. Not this time kasi summer.
Mm. Alright. So, dun sa segment, makikita mo din yung mga maps. Paano mo malalaman
Hindi.
kung di diretso ka?
Sasabihin niya kung off-road ka. Wala ka naman kaligaw dito because of the
Oh,
trail.
pwede kang ano dyan, no? You know. Right.
Hindi nga itong dalawang 2 lanes.
There goes right. Siya nakatignan. Ayan, naman pa lang siya nakatignan.
Yeah. Cars need to yield when pedestrian. Pedestrian is always the highest priority on the road.
Dito o dun?
Dito nga ni. Basta makita mo
May trail naman din dun. Oh.
basta
Ganda
makita
pa.
mo yung dalawang path na to. It's intended for runner.
Look at that.
Ayun eh. Nag-change topic.
Tignan mo yung mga flowers, mga wildflowers.
Wow.
Hindi kasi dyan. Ayun, oh. Hindi, ditong side. Dito side. Diba? It's giving nature. Ang daming wild sunflowers and daming purple.
Lavender.
It's not lavender. Oh, may lake din. Huh? Ikita mo talaga yung biodiversity dito. Yung lake nila is punong-puno ng molds. Ibig sabihin, virgin siya, untouched siya.
Here we go, our
Maraming life
trivia queen.
creatures.
So, fact check nyo na lang po yung
Totoo ba yung
sinasabi niya.
sinasabi niya? Maparapat lang. Mema sabi.
There's a few runners, so here.
It's quite a lot of few runners here because they have a St. Louis running track club. Morning.
Morning, good morning, good morning.
Distance.
All right.
Time.
1 kilometer mark.
7 minutes, 57 seconds.
Let's stay on our zone 2. Oh, my zone 2. Kasi hindi natin kaya yung zone 2 ni Jay.
Yeah, we're running at a speed of 7 minutes 15 seconds per kilometer.
And that's my zone 2. For now.
Yeah, conversational.
Ang ganda. Ganda naman ng view dito, Beb. I think may nadaanan kaming ganitong park, Beb.
This near Pagoda.
Ah, okay. Pero hindi ko na siguro sure. Baka naglalabo na yung paningin kung tumatakbo ako. Ang ganda o yun, bridge oh.
Sige, lumusong ka na.
Para siyang ano sa Bridgerton. Sige mo.
Yeah, it feels Baguio.
Barnes Jewish. Yan natin yung big hospital here. Sa St. Louis. Ang ganda no kasi kahit maraming mga building na nakatayo, meron pa silang forest park dito. And then tingnan mo, they invite a lot of species like a monkey.
Oh,
Over
really?
here on the right side, morning.
So, as you can see, it's a shared road
Oh, may
with
fountain po.
cyclists and runner.
Morning.
Yeah, Diane's very popular here. Yeah,
With this hero.
it's like Crapo.
Hey, Paul.
It's a bigger than Crapo.
Wow.
Look at that, fam.
It's a huge fountain.
Ang shaky pala ng video. Naka-action mo naman.
Ano naman tapos di pala tayo maintindihan magsalita niya. Bungol. Bulol
Oh,
pala.
no. YouTube has these new features that auto-dub from different languages. It's very cool.
Ano those?
So, Forest Park is our part of the training load for the full marathon this coming October 2025. 2026, sorry. And there's a bridge.
Ano? Sabi ko lang ako. Meron?
May kulangot po daw siya. That's how the young produces a lot of kulangots.
Meron po. O, see? Same route lang din siya. Ito lang kasi trail. Dumudugo. Tip naman. Oh, may dugo.
Kadiri ka naman sa video.
Kaya nga, huwag flip mo. Ang ganda ng view. Ang daming
Talahin. Talahin lang to.
Ang daming wild sunflowers. Ay, full naman ang bird.
So I think
My dear.
I
Ayun o. Ay, dear yun, di ba? May ano sila. May ganun sila. Dear yun.
ano pa sa ko? Gusto mo?
Hindi, saan mo? Ang galing.
Yeah.
Meron silang anchor. Ano tawag? Antler? May sungay sila. So matatanda na sila na deer. Dalawa sila. Kaya 1 mile down. Naka-metric kasi si Metric.
Hmm.
Ang galing naman. May deer pa rin.
Of course.
Yung summer na. Tapos na yung mating season. Maybe they're just looking for food. So, ano na? Oh, trail
Ako.
close. Sige.
Okay, we'll check first.
Pwede mo naman palang i-post. Tapos yung nanonood mo pa ako.
7.2 kilometers left. Oh, can you hold it?
Oh, straight. Fast bike approaching.
Yeah.
Morning.
Okay.
Hindi pala nagkakasabihin. Wala nang makapulong din niya sa ako.
Okay, it's uphill. This is our first uphill route. And the videos doesn't look like steep, but it is.
Diba? Hindi steep na pero halos dopamin na.
Yeah, we can walk. Naman. It's zone 4 5 na.
Distance 2 kilometers.
Oh wow,
Time
that's 2 kilometers already.
Anong loop to?
8 minutes.
One
Mag-stop tayo din sa parking.
no, the forest, the tree.
Ako sa Tennis Star.
Yeah.
Hindi.
That's why they call it loop. Because so there's a public restrooms and a water, of course.
Yan lang, uphill.
Okay, another uphill. Straight ahead. But this one's rolling. The other one, in the north side, that's the biggest one.
Nadaanan na ba natin yan?
Di ba?
Nadaanan na.
We're in like 30%. I have water in my back. If you want.
Pag naka 2 miles na siguro.
And there's a soccer field. Recplex. Open area. Heart rate
150.
150. We need to slow down. We need to slow down because the zone 2 is 142.
And right now I'm 150.
1 minute. And we're back on the road. Ang aral ko destination, travel. Pero yung
Nauwing nyo kasi.
you're over-expecting it.
Yeah, nauwing nyo kasi lahat sinecheck mo.
And of course.
Pati yung route na. Even the smallest details. So, just expecting.
Well, if we're done, the UV index is around 2.
Oh, even one it can burn you.
At least hindi 9.
Yeah, yesterday.
That's the difference.
Yeah, yesterday afternoon, no? Around 9, grabe. It was 96 Fahrenheit.
Go, Richard. I think we're too fast.
Yay, it's downhill.
Yeah, it's downhill.
Handa na ako din.
Oh, wait, pause. And we're back on the road. We lost a little bit off track. Now we're on track. Wow, what's that? Pretty good, no?
Ito yung magandang building puno. May nangalaman sa loob.
Mhm.
Nakabotanical.
Distance 3 kilometers. Time 25 minutes 32 seconds. Previous kilometer in 9 minutes 21 seconds.
We're in 3 kilometers mark. Average pace 9 minutes per kilometer. Convert that to miles.
Slow down. Bilis natin. Magtagal. Parang nasa zone 2 era ako ngayong taon na.
Which good.
Yeah. Hindi ko start yung running code zone 2. Start akong para po.
God damn it.
Mali. Masigo na lang. Sisira na yung momentum eh.
Just dumaan sa kalsada. Hindi, may trail yun. Ginugil ko yun.
Baka ito wala kang signal.
Nasa gitna kasi tayo kasi dapat loop siya. Nasa gilid lang tayo sa labas mismo. Kasi nasa gitna pa rin tayo.
Nagsimuta. Wala na. Gusto mo ako kung sa tayo nakapark.
Sige.
Ano pangalan ng park natin? Iyon?
Yeah.
Dream of Illusion or
Basta yun nasa north.
there and super left. That's one mountain view. You okay with that?
Okay. So, yun nga po. We failed. we got a bit of
Next.
lost.
Kasi
So,
naka-close yung road. Na dapat na we're
Hindi
supposed
namin
to run.
nagawa yung full loop. Kasi sarado yung isang segment. So, nasira yung route. So, until now, nasa gitna pa rin kami ng Forest Park. Supposedly, nasa gedli lang kami. Tama?
Ganda pa naman dito.
Yeah.
There's a lot of flowers, wildflowers. See? Maganda nga dito, bebe.
Mas maganda dun.
Ay, oh, sorry. Kaya palakas pala mga loob mo.
Well, yun naman. May tunnel kasi. Tsaka stiff dun. Ahon talaga.
Palakas mo na doon. Wow! Sabi naman dito, ah.
Yeah. It's like
Oh, here.
okay. See, there's a lot of routes that you can choose from. If you're a first timer, you can get lost 100% for sure. Like we did. Okay.
Oh, Hernian.
Hello.
Hindi mabibitin tayo ng 200. So, ikot-ikot muna tayo doon.
Ikaw.
Bakit ako?
Good.
Unless maliligaw tayo.
Less intentional. Maliligaw tayo.
Now, see yan now.
Let's pause for a sec.
Bakit?
Let's go. So we're going back to the museum where we started.
Distance 4 kilometers.
Gusto rin yung tayo.
Yes,
Sabi sa tayo.
yes, correct.
Previous
Ano?
kilometer in 10 minutes, 27 seconds.
Wala na din.
Back. Rico. Hi. Good morning. Wow. Yeah, it's getting cooler.
Ha? Tapos na?
We're going back to the tree. So we can reach 5 kilometers.
Ito, it's 5.
Yes, it is.
Hanggang kaantay.
We can move forward. Well, this is different parking.
Ano ka pala?
tennis court. Yan, nakapos. It's not. Sorry. Nag-curse ako. Chopper.
Right, left.
I don't know.
Probably.
Yeah, there's another running route. Sweating a lot.
Me too. It's the humidity. And also because it's summer.
Playground. Swerte ng mga taga St. Louis, no? Lalo na sa mga runner.
Good na tayo eh.
Last 600. I should be running.
Kaya pong 5K doon.
Meron. And then we go back. This is where we started.
Ito isa pang loop.
No, that's 10 kilometers sa Pangloop. You want? Sa Pangloop? 10 yun.
Next week puro na tayo long run eh. Ang rin to the road.
Bike, mabibiting ka ba ngayon?
Hindi naman. Baka kasi ngayon lang to para baka mamaya kalagit na nasisira.
So,
Okay lang.
di ka nga uminom eh.
Yun ah.
Last for 350, last 350. Morning. $200 na lang ako.
Kailangan hindi lang dapat.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yung kotse na. And then,
And oh, sorry. Then bike lane. One pa.
200 ka na.
Almost.
Ay, dyan tayo galing kahapon, oh. Hindi ba?
Yes.
Ganda pala niya from here. Morning. Flip it. Ako nga, videohan naman ko. Naka-motion pa. Diyan naman akong side. Diyan ako na side, dun ka sa kabila. Busit. Morning. Sabi.
Tapos na?
Ika.
Tagal.
That's where we were yesterday. Pero wala sa flag yesterday, right?
Ganun.
Hindi.
Done?
Yep.
Okay, we walk. And that's a wrap. Total of 5 kilometers and 28 meters. Supposedly, it's an one loop for the whole forest part. That's total of 9 kilometers, but we didn't make it because of a road close. But yeah, take a look at this view. It's totally worth it. See? Good
Nice.
job.
Good job.
All right. Bye for now.